Mommy?
Ah! I got scared.
I'm gonna grab the cars. Here, the gorilla's mouth. It's in the hand like. Ah!
What happened?
I got scared. Look, it's eating the car. Let's see this car connected. Welcome to Prayan's world. This one can save the car.
Okay.
Look, the car went here, then here. Then he's onto his hand.
Wow.
Look at his hand. Okay.
Whoa.
Oh, this thing falls over. Look, this is how it needs to build.
This is how we need to build it?
Yes.
Are you excited to build it?
Yes. Can you open this thing?
Yes, I can.
What's this?
What's this?
These are the instructions how to build it. These are the instructions.
Okay.
And it also have the logo on it. Oh, I got this curved piece. I got this piece. Now, how do we build this? There's no more piece. Oh, there's some.
Whoa. That is a pretty long piece.
Look at these ones. We put them over here. And we put them over here. That can be a little later. There's no more pieces. Mommy, I need to see the gorilla.
Okay.
Oh, this one. And this one. These pieces have become so weird. Oh, this red giant one.
Giant piece.
There's another giant red piece. That will come in handy later again. So these pieces are done. Now let's get the gorilla out. I'm gonna grab the car. Helicopter here. Elevator.
What does it do?
It lifts the car up and down.
Wow.
When we move this way, it goes down. And the other way, it doesn't move.
Wow.
Anyway, this car is going up and 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 it stops. Stop! Hurry! Hurry! And lift all these out. Look, there's parking. Look at this parking.
Wow.
That will come in handy and later. When we finish it, I think later, how do we need to open this? Here's the base.
Okay.
This is the base. There's so many pieces.
Yeah, so many of these pieces.
It's a helipad for the helicopter that we found.
Wow.
And what else pieces are inside? Please subscribe and hit the bell button. Mommy?
Ah! I got scared.
Oh, the gorilla hands is ready. Look at that. Okay.
Is it matching the instructions?
Let's see. Yes, it's matching to the instructions. Look, it comes with these two cars. Yes.
And the other cars?
Those are all my cars.
Oh.
And this comes with these two cars. I didn't have these two.
Wow. And how does it operate? How long did you take to build all this?
You and I, we built this set. 24 hours.
Oh my god, that's a lot. But this is so complicated.
It's not very complicated. The thing on bicycle is complicated.
Oh.
Yes, and the helicopter.
Oh.
Oh man.
And what is this? This is the hand of the gorilla. Another hand. And this is the parking center. And what is it? It has the level 2, level 3, and it has parking on level 2 and level 3. And a helipad. And 4 different tracks, which comes with a lot of stickers. And a big gorilla mouth with a track going inside. And a hand which can grab the cars.
Look what the helicopter did. This is the grabber.
Oh, how does it grab? Can you show?
Okay. Put the helicopter here. This car is lost. And this helicopter picks it up. And it doesn't drop it. And it drops at the helipad. And it take out the car. Put it on. When we press that orange button, the gorilla's hand go down and the car will fell down. Yes.
Let's see. This is the first track.
And open this thing.
And now the first car is launching from the second floor.
Ah!
Oh!
Look, it didn't make it.
Yes, the car didn't make it and the gorilla's hand got dropped.
And now let's try one more time.
Let's try one more time.
Look, it went through the gorilla's mouth.
And it got saved.
And it got pooped out.
Oh, it got pooped out.
Just like one.
Just like body.
And let's try this gray one.
Okay, let's try.
It's a little. Look, let's try another car, but this one will be a little.
Okay. Oh, let's try this.
This one, is it different?
Yes, it is.
Wait, what's different about it?
I think it is a silver car.
No, it's gray.
It's gray, okay.
Let's see if this car can make it. Let's see if this car can make it.
Whoa! The gorilla caught it in his hand.
It almost falls over, but it didn't fall over. Let's try the second one.
Let's try the second track. This is the second track and it goes up to the second level. Nice car.
Let's try this matching car.
Let's try it out.
Oh, so we need.
First, you need to use the elevator to bring the car to the second level.
Why? Let's try the third track.
Here's the third track.
A little bit of the third track is like very.
Now you have to open the lever so that the car can go in the third track. Can you switch it? Oh, it will not go. It's not going in the third track. How can we fix it?
Look in here.
What is it?
It's a level 2. Look now.
Oh, now you've changed it. So now let's try the car. Yeah.
You like this car?
Yes. And let's try the next track. The fourth track. That's a pretty straight track.
That needs to be at the third.
Can you first put the car on the third level with the help of the elevator?
Do you know what's the elevator?
No, what's an elevator?
An elevator is something to go up and up and up.
And down and down and down?
Yes.
Wow.
See how the elevator goes up?
Which handle?
This handle.
Wow.
This one up here. Yes.
Sure.
No, this way. Look. Please subscribe and hit the bell button. They can go in the third Look, we need to turn this handle. That's there, here. And this helicopter can grab we can turn this, then the elevator goes up, 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 up. This helicopter can grab a car, and this is when the car presses this button, then the car falls off.
What else?
Look here. Look. I have this whole one. I need to get this one. I want this one.
Okay.
What else? We have little small decorations. Yes.
Like which ones?
Signs and bits and bobs and bits and bobs. Yes. And also the head. And also the head of the gorilla. Look how his head can move round and around and around and I'm just turning the gorilla's head. So this is the lifter for the cars.
Let's see how.
First we get in the car. How about we get this one? Oh no. Open this and let it go and we close this down. Oh, this car runs out of fuel. This car runs out of fuel. This is a gas.
Okay, let's put in gas and some gears.
This also needs this.
Nice.
Now it's all powered up and it's ready to go.
This one.
Okay, let's take it down. It falls down.
Whoa.
Please subscribe and hit the bell button